Welcome to the video. If you're new here, this channel is all about how to get the most from your lifestyle with fitness in mind. Today's video is all about kettlebells, and I'm going to show you 5 of the best kettlebell exercises, and all you need is one kettlebell and some floor space. Kettlebell movements are great as they can be done in a very small space from your home, and they're great for building speed, agility, strength, and for losing weight. Make sure you stick around to the end because I'll be putting in a bonus exercise right at the end of the video. So let's dive into the kettlebell exercises just now. There we have it, guys. That was 5 different exercises you can do with a kettlebell. And as I said, all you need is a bit of space, a bit of floor space. You can do it in your living room, you can do it in your kitchen, you can do it in your garage, you can do it in your garden, you can do it pretty much anywhere. You don't need a lot of space, particularly at this point in time, given the current health crisis when everyone's trying to self-isolate. All you need is a kettlebell. So if you're fortunate enough to have a kettlebell, give those exercises a go. So that was a kettlebell Russian swing, a kettlebell snatch, a kettlebell push press, a kettlebell clean, and a kettlebell deadlift to high pull. Now I did promise you one bonus exercise in there, and that's going to be an American swing. So the difference between a Russian swing and an American swing is that the Russian swing will go to chest height, and with an American swing it's a kind of combination of the Russian swing and the kettlebell deadlift to high pull, but you're bringing it all the way up and over. So we'll jump into that one just now. If you're looking for a particular format to use those movement patterns in, those kettlebell movements in, try what we call a Tabata. So that's 20 seconds work with 10 seconds rest, and repeating that 8 times through. So you can insert one of the exercises, 2 of the exercises, or all of the exercises, and go for 20 seconds working and then 10 seconds recovery. Repeat that 8 times, and that's what we call a Tabata. So give that a go with those exercises, with those movement patterns. Let me know in the comments below how you get on with that. If you'd like to keep up to date with the channel for lifestyle tips, exercise demos and tutorials, and recent fitness news, then hit that subscribe button below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.